Here, this is why you use an airlock. A fruit fly and I don't know, spider? I don't know what it is. Some insect that you don't want to have in your brew, I'm pretty sure. Hello and welcome back to German Brew. Today we have our modern version of the Serbian Mead. I just make a tea of the herbs I used and use it then in the brew. We're using also our nice forest honey I get from the beekeeper here close. And yes, I have it here. I want today back sweet it. We just starting with 1.120 in the gravity, but we have an 18% yeast. So I wanted to back sweet it so it can re-ferment. And first of all, we need to see how it tastes, and a little bit we need to put in the pitcher so we can mix honey under it. The first we will do, we open it, and then we will, it smells really good. You already can see it's starting a little bit to clear. Nice smell. I think we just see the gravity first, and then I put 2 honeys today. One of the both I will try. We will see. Okay, let's see the gravity. Then the plan is the other one. Okay, we have today 1.012. That's still a little bit high. Still a little bit for tasting. Put this back without splashing too much. Maybe the yeast just stuck. Airlock on it. But let's try it first. So a lot of young alcohol, but nice honey in the back. I can smell the herbs. Oh, sweet, good flavor, different from the original. But the original also was on the dry side. It tastes more dry than it really is. Normally 1.01 is really sweet. It tastes a little bit more drier. I think the forest honey gives a nice flavor. You almost can taste the rosemary, so I know already it's better to keep the original recipe and cook all together, but it's a nice mead. Strong. The forest honey here has a really strong character. Maybe also that's why I don't taste so much the other flavors. But we need to see that the yeast can ferment more. That's why we give it a little bit shake. And try to get up all the yeast again. To remember, hey, there's still something you can ferment. I don't have problems with oxygen because you can already see there are so many CO2 inside. Good. Okay, we are back. Now it's the 2nd of July, so it's now almost 2 months. The last time I know I tasted, I was not so happy with the taste. You just saw it. And we have a rest gravity of 1.012. So we will check if it go down more. And of course we will taste it. And you can see how clear it is. Can you see the text? I'm sure you can see. So I can read through it. Okay, we have our Metheglin here. First of all, we need to put it here inside. I need to be careful. There are some insects in my airlock. Carefully remove. Yeah, it looked like a small spider. On the top I have some particles, some beeswax. It's not a big problem. Okay, I'm done. You can see here is still a lot inside, but okay, it smells good. Let's see the gravity. So it didn't change. It's still 1.0 1.012. It don't change. So this is our final gravity. So we used the, what yeast do we have? The yeast, the Mead yeast from Alcomat. So normally it's 18% yeast. So normally it must be completely dry. But of course I put self inside and rosemary, and that's everything a little bit hard maybe for the yeast. The good thing is I'm sure we don't need to sweet it back. Okay, let's see. The color is amazing. So it's completely clear. It's like I use some chemicals to clean or filtered. I see still the particle of the wax, but it's not a problem. It's really clear. The smell, the first thing is alcohol. And then you have the honey, and the rosemary is there, and the forest honey character is also there. Let's see. Oh, wow. Really better than the last time. A lot of better than the last time. Not really sweet. More on the harder side, because you first taste the alcohol. I tried the second. Okay, the second is better. Not sweet, not even close sweet. I don't know if I need to sweeten it back. It's not on the sweet spot, it's also not dry. It's nice, it's okay, but I remember the survey in passing the original. Maybe it's because of the cooking. This was more smoother, more not so sharp. This is a little bit sharp. We're talking about 14.58%. Okay, that's good. I think the last time we just have 10%, 12%. Maybe this is the main difference. And 15% is good for meat. Really good. Really high. I think this one needs age. But now my tongue already used to the alcohol. No, it's a really good mead. The forest character is there. It's really a strong character. It's not so sour. I don't do put black tea inside, so I don't give it tannin. But this one is good. Really, you need to get the first 2-3 sips, so you have the sharpness of the alcohol not anymore. And then it's a really nice, smooth tasting mead. But the first thing you have in the nose when you smell it, it's a young alcohol. We will bottle it. I have also already prepared all the bottles, so that's good. Let's put this up. You can see I have here 6 bottles prepared. We have around 4 liters, so I can fill them really well. The bottles are steamed, so they clean. And some of them are still a bit of water. And the tops I cooked. I cooked. I put it in 80 degrees hot water. I have here different kind of brands because I'm collecting now just old bottles from the neighborhood, you can say it. We have here some glass containers, and there I put a box and ask for wine bottles. It works really good. So after 2 days I have a full box just with wine bottles. This one again, this time we can remove the cap because we don't have yeast anymore in the ground. Let's start with the green and we'll see what's happened. On the first try. Perfect. Okay, we have 5 really full bottles of mead. Yeah, that's now Baden-Württemberg mead. Because it's made from honey from the region here, and also most of the ingredients I just get here in the garden. Okay, not the lemon. Okay, I forget the end card. Here you can see again the color and of course the houses you can see through. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and of course here are 2 videos more. One YouTube thing you will like, the other one is my last video, and we see you the next time. Bye.